Gorgeous seeded sourdough discard crackers. So simple and easy to make. And listen to that crunch. You'll need around 200 grams of sourdough discard. Then 28 grams of melted butter. Add a pinch of sea salt and stir this all together. Then you want to get a baking tray and spray it with water and then add your baking parchment. That's just so the baking parchment sticks nicely and doesn't move about. And then spread the mixture as thinly as possible. That way you'll get a really nice crunchy cracker. I always use a palette knife because it's much easier that way. You'll want to preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, then start adding the toppings. I use lots of pepper. Then garlic powder. And onion powder. And then I used multi-seeds, it was a pack, and these contain pumpkins, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds and linseed. Then I finished it all off with a sprinkling of sea salt. Then you want to pop these in the oven for 10 minutes to start with. Bring them out and then start cutting out your shapes. I always do long, thin crackers, it's just easier. And they fit nicely in my small glass container jar. And then pop back in the oven for a further 15 to 20 minutes. It may take longer. You want them nice and golden brown. Hear that lovely snap. Such a good use of the discard.